Where is your legs? Where is your belly? Chino, where is your belly? Hi, Chino. Where is your belly? Where is your belly button? Belly button. Okay. Where is your hair? Where is your eyes? Eyes, Chino. Eyes. Where is your nose? Nose. Okay. Where is your teeth? Teeth. Hands up. Brushing your teeth. Hands up. Your legs. Good boy. Claps. Clap your hands. Namaste. Good morning. Good night. Chino, good